Hello cyclists, welcome. Today the brand new edition from Q.ik, it's the Venetus Plus. Is known for high quality, very beautiful foldable bicycles that are not only for bike connoisseurs, but maybe for people who have a very versatile mobility, everyday life, or people who do not have so much storage, or if you combine train, bus and a bicycle, or if you maybe do have a camper. And the newest edition has a lot of pretty cool new features. But before we dive into the features, how does it feel to ride it? We start with a little cobblestone and a lot of ice on the streets. Because it is winter, -8 degrees for weeks now. But as you can see, not so much rattling and bumping. It's because the tires are a teeny tiny bit chunky and it feels very comfortable. So due to the fact that the sitting position is very upright because the frame geometry is very compact, for me the perfect sitting position if you commute a lot. And there is not so much option, to be honest, to change the sitting position because you cannot change the height of the handlebars. This is fixed. But I really like, okay, here, incline. I'm in pedal assistance number 4 and super easy. As you can see, really easy. And I could even choose a pedal assistance number 5, then I would have more support. But more about that in a second. So the sitting position, very natural, very compact. I love it. I can see what's happening around me. The handlebars are a bit broader, a little bit bent backwards. So therefore even enhancing the upright sitting position. I love the teeny tiny ergo grips, so it's very comfortable for my wrists. And also my whole shoulder, back, neck positioning is very relaxed. But it doesn't feel like a foldable bike. Because every now and then when I test a foldable bike, it feels a bit as if it looks funny, but it also feels funny. But not in this case. So it really feels like cycling a regular bike. And even when you're pretty fast, because every now and then other foldable bikes have it that doesn't feel so stable, but because of course the frame is like broken because you're folding the bike or it's 2 parts. But this is very stiff and very, very stable. And it is very comfortable because the frame made of carbon is of course super, super, super stiff. So you don't have any suspension. But I think the tires are doing a really good job, not over cobblestone, but also when you're riding regular streets. Very comfortable. It works like a teeny tiny suspension. Of course, it is an e-bike. The motor is located in the rear hub, one of my favorite places. I prefer in the back and in the middle because that gives the most natural riding experience. When it's located in the rear, like with the Venetus, you feel a teeny tiny bit pushed. But still very natural. The motor is a Maiweiss M70 with 40 Newton meters of torque and it is very well balanced. So the moment I push the pedal, the motor responds and gives me the support I'm asking for. That means there is no sudden acceleration and no sudden push and it responds immediately. And due to the fact that there is a torque sensor, so a sensor that measures how hard I push the pedal, I get exactly the support I'm asking for. So actually like riding a natural, a bio bike. Because if I push the pedal harder there, just see I'm pushing harder and 25 kilometers, I get exactly what I want from the motor. There are 2 models, the Venetus Plus and the Venetus. And I'm having the Venetus Plus because this has a carbon belt drive from Michelin and it's a single speed. So carbon belt drive of course has a lot of advantages compared to the chain, lasts up to 3 times longer than a regular chain, so approximately 30,000 kilometers. Needs no oil or grease, which is very nice when you're folding it. And it's like super silent and smooth riding. But it is a single speed, so you do have only like 1 gear. And in my opinion, Q.ik did choose a really nice transmission, so did choose a really nice gear. because even when you have low pedal assistance and you want to be very active, it's absolutely okay. Completely without any support, it was pretty tough for me, to be honest. Maybe my condition is not the best, but even though the bike is super lightweight with 14.5 kg, but with a single speed version I prefer to have some motor assistance. But there's also the second model, and it comes with 8 gears. A Shimano Altus is a very sophisticated, reliable system, and this will give you the whole range. So depending on how you like to cycle, if you want to use a lot of muscle strength, or if you want to go faster than the 25 kilometers that are allowed in the EU, and this motor will only help you until you reach 25 kilometers, and then you can go even faster. But it's super important for me, even with the single speed, when I was cycling faster, like 27, 29 kilometers, my legs weren't like super fast. No, it was still very well balanced, and it was working. Of course, every e-bike needs a battery, and this one here is located in the seat post. That's actually an option we already know from other manufacturers, and it's very well established. It also balances out like the weight from the bike, so because the weight is in the middle of the bike where you are sitting as well. And it gives a range up to 55 kilometers. That is what Q.ik says. Of course, it depends on how heavy you are. If it's winter like here, -8 degrees, of course, the range will be a bit lower. But in total, I would say and of course, it depends on how you cycle. So are you using a lot of pedal assistance? Then, of course, the battery won't last as long. The Shimano hydraulic disc brakes were working really well, especially in winter. It's fantastic to test the bike, because then you have really challenging surroundings and situations. And here also, when there were some icy parts, I really thought as well as the brakes and the tires, the profile, were very reliable, so I felt safe all the time. So this bicycle is for commuters, for example, because you also do have a little rear carrier where you can place your bag or your computer or a little basket. And I did test it, and it was still feeling very well balanced. So if you're commuting, if you're combining like public transport, absolutely interesting. But also maybe if you do have a camper, or if you want to have a boat, could also be a really interesting bike for you. Price-wise, well, it is a quality bike, but the price is super competitive and interesting. The Venetus, so the chain drive, costs 2,750 euros. There are always very interesting offers, so check out the website and the social media channels. The Venetus Plus, so the belt drive with a single speed, has also an interesting price, 2,850 euros, but also check out the websites. I was super lucky because I was able to test 2 bikes, and so you can see the 2 different colorways. The black one and the aubergine, the purple one, and there's a really beautiful brown one. If you have a closer look at the components, for example, the Maiweiss M70 is a very reliable component, and you do have the belt drive from Michelin. And the carbon belt drive is not only much more sustainable in terms of that it lasts 3 times longer than a regular chain, but it also is super quiet, and it doesn't lengthen, and it needs no oil and grease. And especially if you're handling a lot with the bike, because you're folding it or you're carrying it, you don't want grease on your clothing or on your hands. So therefore, it's a very intelligent, in my opinion, solution to go for a belt drive. And to show you how easy it is to fold the bike, you put down the saddle, and there's a little wheel, as you can see. Then you fold the bike itself, and then put down the handlebars. And then super easy, as you can see, this little wheel attached to the battery will help you move the bike. And then the other way around, first the handlebars, then you unfold, and the saddle goes up. So really pretty easy. The Shimano hydraulic disc brakes were working really well, and they can be serviced in every bike shop. So that's very important for me, that of course you do have a reliable bicycle that works very well every single day. And of course you do have to service your bikes. And then if you do have components that can be serviced like by almost everyone. It weighs only 14.5 kg, so it was very easy for me to carry this bike around a couple of flights of stairs up and down, and even took it on the bus and put it in the trunk of our car. And you have to consider it's an e-bike, so you do have a pretty heavy motor and the battery. And just find a regular bicycle that weighs only 14.5 kg. And as you can see, the handlebars and the stem are made from one-piece carbon fiber, so it's very special for the design. And speaking about the handlebars, just look there, the cables, they are hidden. It's an internal cable routing, and this makes it really, really beautiful in my opinion. And you also see the display is integrated into the handlebars, and you have all the information you need. I think it's perfect, fits into the design, and to be honest, I do not need more information. So overall, I really like the upgrades, the new design, and the philosophy of Q.ik that is integrated into the Venetus Plus. Of course, this bicycle comes with a price, but therefore you get something very unique and something that will definitely accompany you for many, many years, and is very reliable, and you arrive in style. The bike comes fully equipped, and by that I do mean it comes with fenders in the front and in the rear. And of course you do have a rear carrier where you can install a basket, or you can install bags. It has a little bike stand, and it has lights that are sufficient for the German law. So when you got your bike, you're ready to go. So this bicycle is not only for people who maybe commute a lot and want to be very versatile and agile, but it's also for people maybe who have a camper and want to be flexible once they park their car. Or maybe you do have a boat, a yacht, and you're looking for something that fulfills all your wishes concerning quality and design. So for me, the Venetus Plus is definitely a very beautiful addition to the Q.ik range already. And one thing is super important, that of course the majority of the parts and accessories come from Asia, but that is because there's the knowledge, so far there's the competence. But Q.ik assembles everything in Spain, close to Barcelona. So they have a place there, and they double check the quality. So it's like granted that you have a very cool, high quality, reliable bicycle. That comes. I always love it. The Q.ik has the matte finish, and the Venetus Plus comes in 3 different color options. This one, I would call it aubergine. It's like a purple. You do have a brown and a black.